Rapunzel let down.
Let's go.
So today I'm headed out for girls' night out, and I'm going to change my hair from short to long with some clip-in hair extensions. So these hair extensions have a light wave in them that I have put in with a hair straightener. I will show you how to use this hair straightener in a minute. This hair here is a caramel blonde blend that is 60-18, and the information will be below. So I'm going to show you now how to use straightening iron to curl. We want to have the hair clip, imagining that you are styling your own hair. So this would clip into your hair here, so hold the clip away from you like that, as if you're doing it on yourself, but it's not on yourself. You may also want to section off the piece into a half and just hold the other half in your hand like that. This makes it easier to get a nice even curl. So you take your wand, bring it down, partway to the bottom, and then flip it. Oops. You have to have it on first. That really helps. Okay, there we go. So let that warm up. In the meantime, we will just talk amongst ourselves. Huh. I think it might be ready now. The oven is preheated. Follow the hair down like this, and then flip it with your wrist like that. And bring it down, and you have a nice curl up here. So let's do it again on the other side. Flip, and pull down. On the wavy ones that I've already created, I have pieces of the 2-clip. These help to contour around your face. I like to start from closer to the top of your head and then bring them down. You can work from the bottom too, but that clips in very, very nicely. Then to add like another section as if you're parting your hair to even put it up, you take another one of the 2-clip, make sure the clip's open, and then flip it like so, using your 2 fingers and sometimes your thumb underneath. But these are very nice clips, so they clip in. And then we have the other one with the 2 clips, so 2 more of those left, and that's going to go on the other side. Clip, clip, clippity-doo-dah. Oh, who's that? Who's that girl? There's 2 3-piece clips as well. You may find that you don't even need to use all the clips, but the more hair the better. So I'll start with the bigger clips first. I'm going to section my hair like this, as if I'm doing like a lower half ponytail. So you have your little stringy side hairs here, your wonderful, beautiful Rapunzel locks here. Clip, clip, clip. Oh, so wonderful. Never leave home without my hair. MasterCard. Section another piece, got a very clear, defined part. And then the clip just binds very snugly, but very comfortably. No headaches here. Okay, I've had weave before where you had to take an aspirin after. This is very gentle. I feel like myself now. Got my weave on, get my party on. Got my clip-in hair extensions. And then maybe because my hair falls down on this side, I might want to add a little more Veronica Lake kind of thing. Okay, there we are. Look at that. Rapunzel, eat your heart out. Oh, wow, look at that. Nobody knows but me. If they could see me now, that little gang of mine. I'm eating fancy chow and drinking fancy wine.